the Hampton Inn in Meadville, Pennsylvania. Meadville, Pennsylvania is within 40 miles of Erie, Pennsylvania, and within 90 miles of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This hotel is conveniently located as soon as you get off Highway 79. There's ample parking in the front, on the sides, and in the back. And there's even enough space to pull up to unload at check-in time. As you enter the hotel, you're greeted with this sign, "Making you happy makes us happy." And within a few feet, when you arrive during the normal check-in time, you're greeted with fresh baked cookies, and you walk into a lobby that is very spacious, and there's complimentary tea and coffee with different types of creamer and a variety of teas that you can try throughout your stay. All of the amenities are located conveniently on the first floor. First, you will approach the guest laundry area that has a washer, dryer, and a washing powder dispensary for the convenience of guests. Then as you go down the hall, you can make a right and you will see the entrance for the swimming pool, as well as an ice machine and vending machines before you enter the pool. The swimming pool hours are from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. You must have your room key card to enter into the laundry area and the swimming pool. We just now walked past bathrooms that are unlocked and you do not need a key to enter the bathrooms. And now we have approached the exercise room that has newer treadmills, bikes, ellipticals, weights, mirrors for those that like to look in the mirror as they work out and lift. The fitness center's hours are from 6 a.m. until midnight. Again, the lobby is very spacious and can accommodate large groups. There's a number of tables, seating for 2, seating for 4. There's couches, love seats, and the high standing table in the middle has plugs and USB outlets at each chair. The hotel also offers complimentary breakfast in this area. Let's take a look at room 213, a room with 2 queen beds. The rooms are really nice and contain floor-length mirrors, 2 at that, which can come in handy when getting dressed for the day. Also, You walk past the bathroom as soon as you enter the room. In the bathroom, you have the ice bucket, plastic cups, ample space underneath the sink to store things, a hair dryer, nice lighting for getting ready, soap is available for your convenience, as well as toiletries. And we were provided with more than enough towels during our stay. This was not an accessible room, but there was a bar in the shower that could be helpful for those who need assistance with standing or getting in and out of the shower. Again, the mirrors are definitely a plus for this room. There's a small seating space. The beds were actually very comfortable. You can control the temperature in your room with the thermostat on the wall. The lamp does have 2 plug outlets conveniently located near the beds. The television was not too large. That may be something that could be a turnoff for some, but the room did include a refrigerator with a small freezer, as well as a microwave, which can both be very convenient when staying out of town. Then there was the desk area that also has a mirror, and you can see how spacious the room is looking at it from this end. The lamp on the desk also had outlets, as well as there were outlets near the desk. And this kind of caught us by surprise. We did not know that it was actually a closet, which is another plus to this room. It did take a little effort to get it open, but inside the closet is where you will find extra bedding, hangers, ironing board, iron, and room to store things out of the way during your stay. And when not in use, you can close the door and use the mirror. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And be sure to check out other great videos from J-Hen Travel and Services.